There we go, SPY. We up 57%. If we can get under yesterday's low, we gonna be good. Let's go, SPY. We up 88%. I'm taking profit. I'm gonna walk y'all through all of this. I seen it rejecting off an open price. I seen it holding under the 200 moving average. As you can see, I know how to get 20%, 30% in the market, and I just got 80% live in your face. SPY. There's SPY. Rejecting off of that 9 EMA. If we can get past that, I'll get another entry on SPY. There it is. There we go. I'm in SPY right now. What you want to do, SPY? SPY is very weak. See that big wick right there? That's how you know SPY is very weak. Going back up and retesting SPY. My stop loss is behind this candle right here. Basically the 200 MA. That's my stop loss. My stop loss is the 605.95 level. As you can see, QQQ trying to go back up. You need a rejection. SPY is weak, man. Come on, SPY. Let's go. SPY is very weak. We need you, SPY. I'm down 4% right now. It's holding pretty good right now. I could have waited on my entry, but let's see what SPY wants to do. My stop loss is this 200 MA. That orange line right there, that is my stop loss. Look at this. Look at QQQ. It's downtrending. All right, SPY, what you want to do? You gonna go or what? Let's go. We got the 200 MA sitting on top. We got the 9 MA. You under VWAP. You ain't got nowhere else to go, SPY. Oh, look at Apple. We just holding. We holding tight. I'm down 8% right now. I knew Tesla. Oh, Tesla getting rejected a little bit. All right, SPY. There we go. There we go, SPY. Go ahead, SPY. We up 5%. Rejecting off of that pivot a little bit. We can get under this pivot. We off to the races. SPY 604 level. It's pretty heavy. I'm up 2% right now. There we go, SPY. Go, 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 go. You gonna go or what, baby? You ain't got nowhere else to go. You weak. You real weak, SPY. There we go. 12%. There we go. There we go. We up 16%. I'm gonna take a small trim. All right, I'm gonna hold these runners. My stop loss is break even. Break even is about right here. That's where my stop loss is. I took about 75% of my contracts out. I got a couple runners. This next candle should take off. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh yeah, there we go, SPY. Go ahead, what you gonna do? We up 18% right now. We just got runners in. My stop loss is break even, that white line right there. SPY is very weak. We still up 15%. As you can see, it's wicking off that pivot right there. We just watching. SPY real weak right now. Look at Tesla. Oh my God. That's an entry on Tesla right there. SPY is still weak though. We can get under this low of day, 605.07. We can do a little something. I'm up 21% right now. And God, that's what I look for today. I look for 20, 30, 40%. I don't look for 100% trade. Look at Tesla. I don't look for 100% trades. You know what I'm saying? 20, 30, 40%. That's a good day for me. You know what I mean? The object of the game, you leverage how much you're going to be feeling comfortable with. I want to get up from here and I'll be like, all right, I'm good for today. You know what I'm saying? SPY still weak. Y'all see that? We still up 18%. As y'all can see, that's two 20% trades I just got. Two 20% trades. All on SPY. A lot of people act like you got to have a certain strategy, or people act like you don't know what you're doing. But hey, if I'm showing you live that I'm getting 20%. I'm showing you this shit live. I'm getting 20%. You can't say I don't know what I'm doing. And that's a lot of people won't get on these charts. The charts is the key to this shit. You got to get on them charts, man. You got to learn them charts. It took me about, I'm not going to lie, it took me about a good 6-7 months faithfully on these charts to really get it down pat. And I haven't learned everything. I ain't gonna say I learned everything. I still learn every day, but I can get in the market and get 20%. You know what I'm saying? If I use $10,000, 20% of $10,000 is what? That's a good day, right? Exactly. We still up 18%. SPY is still weak right now. As y'all can see how this green candle volume, these candles are down here is the volume. When it pulls back, if those green candles are smaller than those red candles, that's how you know the volume of the bears are in control. Bears mean the price is going down. The volume of the bears are in control. I'm still up 17%. Let's see what SPY want to do. I'm just holding. No reason to get out. No reason to get out this trade. Still sitting at 18%. Tesla. Look at Tesla. And no, I don't get in like 2 or 3 trades at once. I have before, but in the past, I just realized that I'd rather my mind focus on one thing. I'd rather use more money on one trade on a better setup. You know what I'm saying? Rather than trying to trade 2 charts at the same time. I'd rather use more money on one trade that's a great setup. And as you can see, we talked all through this trade right here. SPY was rejecting open price level. That's that yellow line right there. SPY was also under this 9 EMA. SPY is also under this pivot point. If you want to know all these indicators, y'all check out some of my videos. I show you guys all these indicators and show you exactly how to put it on your chart. Now let's see what SPY want to do. It should go right now. It should go right now. That counter right there, that counter basically means the bears and the bulls were basically in a fight. They couldn't figure out who wanted to do what, but at the end, bears got a little momentum, but they still aren't as big as the bears. So the bears should take control right now. As you can see, this chart is about to go down right now. It should go down on this candle. I'm up 21% right now. And I do have runners in. I got runners in. I got in right here at this white line, the pass of that candle, that bounce off of that 9 EMA. Let's go, SPY. What you want to do? If we get a push here, I'm going to move my stop to this pivot point. And behind this green candle, that's where I'm going to move my stop to. So I do move my stop down. There's SPY right there. We're at 23% right now. I do move my stop down as the chart goes down. You know what I'm saying? I use my stop down. We at 26%. I move my stop down. There we go, SPY. I move my stop down just to make sure I can get the most out of the trade. You know what I'm saying? So my stop would probably be right here at the back of this counter, or where this consolidation broke a little bit. We up 31% right now. There we go, SPY. We under that pivot point. SPY. Let's go. SPY rejected a little bit. SPY probably rejected toward that 604 level. That is a strong level, that 604 level. But I'm still in runners. Stop loss is break even. Stop loss break even. My break even is at that white line right there. If we can get more of a bigger push, I will move my stop down to this pivot point, but we ain't got no push yet. Look at SMCI. AMD reverse. Name of the game is stay patient. I might be reversing off of this 604 level. But if it hit my stop, it's cool. We'll just get out. NVIDIA. SPY's reversing back right now. My stop is this pivot point. My stop is going to be this pivot point right here. If we can break and hold over that pivot point, I'm going to get out. Still up 7%. Yeah, I'm going to move my stop to that pivot point right there. The 604 is a big level. 604 has been bouncing all week. And it's been holding that level. I think it held that level yesterday before the gap up. So we're going to see. If we can keep getting rejected off of that pivot, we should be in the money. Let's hold tight though. I'm gonna stay with my stop above that pivot. If we get above that pivot, I'm out. I just take my 9% profit. So we back down. We back up 16%. I like that rejection that we just saw. There we go. There we go. Let's go, SPY. We up 28% right now. QQQ rejecting. Look at that. QQQ. NVIDIA rejecting. We up 28% still. Tesla pulling back a little bit. Amazon like it want to reverse. I like how SPY held under that pivot for the next 5-minute candle. Ooh, look at Netflix. I told you guys Netflix was gonna do that. I said it. I said Netflix is finna dump. I should have got in. You know, Netflix did that to me last time. I seen the setup and I was like, Netflix just moves so weird to me to where I don't even want to get in sometimes. But next time I see Netflix said no, I'm getting in. All right, SPY's pulling back. It's at my stop right here. I'm still up 5%, but if it can get above this pivot, I'm getting out. I'm getting out. I'm up 13% right now. Come on, SPY. Don't reverse on me, SPY. QQQ reversed. Hopefully QQQ can tap that VWAP and keep heading down. I think the market wants to pull back today. I think it wants to bounce today. And guys, I do these live just for my journal, just to do this stuff on Saturdays. I'll go and look at all of my live and see. This not the first time I've done it. I do this all the time in the video. I just don't go live, but I started doing it. And I was just like, might as well go live and show people what I'm doing. You see, I just got 20% trade. The first trade I lost, that was like probably a 10% loss, but I came right back to 20% trade on SPY. And we still in this trade, and we still in the second trade. We still up 18%, and we getting rejected off of that pivot right there. Let's go, SPY. I like what I see. I like what I see, SPY. Go ahead and dump it. Go ahead and dump under this 604 level. We get under this 604 level, we off to the races, baby. We going to 600 if we get under this 604 level. But I'm going to hold tight. Meta giving a pullback. Ooh, that's a good entry right there. Y'all see Meta? That's a good entry. You can enter that and have your stop loss above that 625 level. We up 21% right now. Ooh, Meta got a good entry, but I'm not gonna get into it. Like I said, I don't like being in I don't like being in two trades at once. I'd rather use more money, use more leverage, and get in a better trade. And I just watch that trade. Maybe in the future I'll do that, but right now I like focusing on one trade, man. Ooh, NVIDIA. All right, SPY. You gonna go with what? It's holding that level, boy. Holding that 605 level. We need 604. We need 604. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't get in Tesla, but that's a nice move right there. We're still up 26%. Oh, there's SPY. Damn. may not SPY Tesla. I just was talking shit about it, wasn't it? Damn, Tesla. That's a good entry right there. But it's probably gonna retest that yesterday's highs if it wants to go that way. We're still up 26%. Come on, SPY. You ain't gonna give me no more? Friday the 13th, SPY. There you go, SPY. Come on now. Get down there. You're getting rejected. You have nowhere else to go. Still up 23%. That's a great entry on Tesla. If any of y'all trading Tesla, that's a great entry right there. Netflix bouncing off of open price. Looks like it's about to head down. QQQ is bouncing off of VWAP. Look like it's about to head down. SPY still playing around in this consolidation right here. Kind of flagging a little bit. As you can see, a small kind of flag. A bear flag. Usually bear flag, we usually keep going down. As you can see, now we have a trend line forming right there. We should keep going down, hopefully. Let's see. But that's a nice flag setup right there. Come on, SPY. Come on to me, baby. You had a long week, SPY. You had a long week. We still up 21%. I'm still in the trade. There's no reason to get out. I'm just in runners. Still up 26%. SPY is weak as hell. And I think we about to dump. But it's still holding that 604 level. Let me see how strong that 604 level is. SPY is weak. You got a dump, SPY. You got nowhere to go. Come on, SPY. Still holding. There we go, SPY. There we go. I like that. We still in runners. Runners are up 33% right now. Go ahead, SPY. Get down there. 31%. Everything got to be pulling back right now. This is a great chart on SPY. This is actually a great example of a bearish day and an entry point. There we go, SPY. I walked y'all through all of this. We up 40% right now. We jumped right back to 36, 33, 31. %33 right now. We up. Look at Nvidia. Come on, SPY. Get on down there, SPY. You ain't got no reason to reverse today. It's Friday. There we go. Come on, SPY. We up 35% right now. I told you. Look at Netflix. Netflix doing exactly what I just said. It's gonna bounce off of that open price and keep going down. We got 45 seconds on this candle. Hopefully this next candle we can get it on down. Still up 33%. It can't get no better than this though. Live trading, you can't cap this. You can't cap live trading. 14 seconds on this candle. We still up 34%. Let's go, SPY. Get on down there. SPY sitting at the 604 level, man. It could pivot back right now because 604 is a strong level. I'm at 36% right now. 604 is a strong level. But if we keep tapping at it, we're going to break the ice. There we go. There we go, SPY. What I tell y'all? What I tell y'all? What I tell y'all? What I tell you? We up 54% right now. 54%. I'm moving my stop down to this candle probably. My stop is probably going to be down to this consolidation. There we go, SPY. We up 57%. If we can get under yesterday's low, we're going to be good. Let's go, SPY. Let's go, SPY. We up 88%. I'm taking profit. I'm taking profit. I'm taking profit. I'm taking profits. I'm good with that, baby. I'm good with that, baby. We up 88%. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's what I like to see. Ooh, I should have stayed in a little bit more. But I'm good with that 80%. I don't get 80% every day. Last time I got 80% was probably last week. I usually get 20s and 40s. Like I said, all I need is that. You know what I'm saying? You see how it's rejected now? See, if I would have sat there, I could have left a couple runners, but I'm good. I'm good with that. I'm good with that 80%. And it's looking real good right now. You know what I'm saying? Hey man, I just showed y'all. I'm kind of giving y'all the cheat code on the low. Look at this SPY. I'm kind of giving y'all the cheat code on the low. First trade, negative 10%. Second trade, I got 22%. Third trade, 88%. You can't say I'm capping. You can't say I'm capping. You can't say I'm capping. I took my profit at 80%. It's probably still going to go, but hey, I'm good. I'm good with that. So now that we know the trend of the day, it's only 10:42. Guess what? We still got more time to trade, but we already seen a big move in the market. So let's see if we can find something that haven't dumped yet, all the way fully yet. Everything just dumped. Meta dumped. Netflix dumped. SPY dumped. That's what I was waiting on. That's all I was waiting on. I got my 80%. I got up out of there. That's how you got to be. Guys, I done got burned so many times. Check me. I done been down. I should have waited for a green candle. I kind of got out too early, but it's all good. I done got burned so many times. Prices and rejected and went right back up. I'd rather go ahead and take my 80% and get out. I'm out fully. Y'all just seen that live. Y'all just seen that live. 88% on SPY. SPY puts. SPY puts. Yes, you can make money when the market is going up or down. You can make money when the market is going up or down. Y'all look at the video. Oh my God. Dang, SPY. Oh man. I should have full ported SPY today. Nah, I don't never do that, but this was a good day to full port SPY, boy. We would have been having a good one. We still gonna have a good weekend, but we would have had a great weekend. 88% on SPY. Dang. I knew it was pulling back. I said SPY's about to fill that gap. Beautiful chart on SPY. Look at this chart. Let me open this chart. Look at this SPY chart. I walk y'all through all of this. I seen it rejecting off an open price. I seen it holding under the 200 moving average. Just like I talk about in my videos. I just did it live for you guys. It passed the 200 moving average right here. It rejected. It went up back. It went back and retested on this candle right here, that 1010 candle. I am on a 5-minute chart. It rejected off of this 200 moving average. The 200 moving average is one of my indicators. If you want to know about the indicator, let me know in the comments. I give the settings and everything to it. I'm just trying to help you guys, man. When I was learning this shit, I ain't know nothing. I was learning this shit on my own. I ain't have nobody to help me. So I'd rather just help somebody that needs some help. Not saying I'm a guru or anything, but as you can see, I know something. I know what the fuck. I know how to get 20%, 30% in the market, and I just got 80% live in your face. You know what I'm saying? Y'all hit me a like. Give me a like, man. But yeah, so price went up, rejected off of yesterday's high. That green line right there is yesterday's high. Price went, and I marked these levels before the market even opens. I marked this level yesterday when the market closed. And SPY is pulling back. It might give me another entry. But if we get under, oh my God, we under 604 level. If we can hold right there, I'll get in again. So SPY went up, touched yesterday's high, and if you can go back to the beginning of the video, I said SPY is finna probably go up to all-time highs and reject, like I just said, and it did exactly what I said. It retested the 200 MA. That's this line right there. It tapped the 9 MA. That's this green line running. So this green line running at 9 EMA, it is, if you see candles under that green 9 EMA, that means we're bearish for that trend or that time of the day right there. If you see candles sitting on top of the green, like, let me show y'all, like right here. You see that? The candle is sitting on top of that green 9 EMA. That means we are in a bull market. So anytime candles are sitting on top of that 9 EMA, we're in a bull market. So you need to be in calls. As you can see, I was in puts because the price is going down. It rejected off of 200 MA, 200 moving average. It rejected off of 200 moving average. And I got in right at the pass of this candle right there. My stop loss, I kept saying my stop loss was behind that candle, or basically the 200 moving average. I held 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. On the 30 minute I held, it dumped 80%. Right now it's retesting yesterday's lows. I marked this yesterday's lows yesterday. This red line, that's yesterday's lows. It's retesting yesterday's lows. So if it can retest these lows, and I can use my Fibonacci. Damn, I'm giving y'all some cheat codes. I'll give y'all some cheat codes, man. I paid a lot of money for this training shit that I know, but I'm gonna go ahead and give it to y'all because I don't care. If you use your Fibonacci, they're gonna bring our Fibonacci down. So you're gonna use your Fibonacci from the highest of where the price started to come down. So as you can see, we're getting rejected off of this 236 level. As you can see, that green candle, this is live. This is live. The market is open right now. It is 10:48. 11 o'clock, we're going to move to the 10-minute candle, but I'm just showing you on this 5-minute candle. It's getting rejected off at 236 level. If it gets rejected off at 236 level, it is the strongest level, and that chart can keep going a good amount down. But to be honest, I might be done because I got 80% and I'm good. I'm good for the day. But if the opportunity presents itself, you already know what's up. But yeah, if it gets rejected off its 0.382 level, it can have a good move down. Now that's why I got these two levels marked red. Now anything that gets rejected off of like that 0.5, 0.6, The trend is going to be real slow. You probably don't want to get into it. But anything that rejects off the 236 and the 382, you're going to have a nice little good trend. Now this, I've done this plenty of times. It works 75, 80% of the time. Sometimes you're going to get burned. It's part of the market. Sometimes you're going to lose, and that's what you got to understand. Sometimes you're going to lose. But y'all just see me live get 80%. You know what I'm saying? I took that first L, a little small 10% loss, and I came back with another 22% and another 80%. So yeah, that's just another example. That's my Fibonacci, fib retracement. I love that tool right there, that fib retracement. But yeah, SPY is pulling back. SPY is retesting that ooh, and it's finna pull back to the 9 EMA. I might get another entry on SPY, man. Ooh, I might get another entry on SPY. If we can get under this pre-market low, I might get another entry on SPY. But as y'all can see, I should have got in right there.